Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P20 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, enter settings, go to display and brightness, and here we've got all settings for our display. At the top of the screen we can change brightness level or set it automatic. Then we can set color and eye comfort. Sleep between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. Dark mode. Text and display size. Screen resolution. And in more display, we can select full screen display apps, change notch, set screensaver, and adjust our status bar. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.